I could look back.
I should go
I
down
could
first.
Bro, that arc is amazing. All it's missing is Caden and One Piece. And
bro.
And that one person literally all. It's him. What? He wants
Grant's the mouthpiece.
Is there like something
The mouthpiece?
the One Piece. No.
Mr. Jordan, my life is crumbling before me.
Exactly.
It's all one great man to do.
Great.
It sounds like grandma.
Okay. Grant, what are we gonna do on this one right here?
Okay, so what we do is we take out on like the top left one, what we can do is we can like make an X and an X, and then we can do like a -2 and a +3.
Right. What multiplies into -6, that also adds up to 1. So you said 3 and -2.
Oh, but then there's also Y.
Yeah, what's wrong with this?
No Y.
Yeah, it's not just a 6 out here, it's 6y squared. So these need y's on, so all of these end in y, right?
Yes.
So, did I copy that one right? Good. Yeah. Okay, how about the bottom left?
Oh, okay. So there's X and X again. And then, -5 and +3.
Right,
Y.
-5 plus 3
Y.
adds up to -2. -5y plus 3y. Okay, how about the top right?
Okay.
Is it 3-term factoring? No. Is it a square minus a square? No. X is not squared, 45 is nothing
Do
squared.
we take out the 9?
Take out a 9. Yeah, take stuff out. So if I take a 9 out, I'm left with
X minus 5y.
Correct.
okay, how about the bottom right?
Do we take out a 3x?
Yeah, they both have a 3 and an x. And if I divide that by 3x, it's x minus 2y. Alright, that's the hard part. And then the easy part is
Cancel x. So we cancel out the -2 by that.
x minus 5y, x minus
Oh, they
2y,
all cancel out. It's 1.
x plus 3y. It's not everything now.
Wait, what is that?
What about this?
Oh, the 9. Oh, I didn't see that.
Okay, 9 divided by 3
3
is
over
3.
x.
So it's 3 over x.
Why did you say 3 over 1? There's an x.
Well, it's 3 over 1x, but 3 over 1, 3 over x. Okay, that was 19, I think. So what changes on 21?
Just divided.
Division, x squared minus 5.
We know what happens. Life's so tricky, biscuit. Okay.
Anyways.
What are you quoting every time you say that?
What?
What are you quoting?
Life is a tricky biscuit.
Life's a tricky biscuit.
Yeah.
Oh, I just kind of made that up.
Okay, because because 21 is a division problem, I'm going to flip the right one, and it turns it back into a multiplication problem. X squared minus 3x minus 18. Okay. We get more here. Caden, how about the top left? This one's actually easier because there's no y's on the end, so.
Okay, so it's like, should I wait?
No.
Okay. X times x, and then it's -2, -3.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, what multiplies in, oh no, that's not gonna work. -2 times -3 is +6, not
Shoot,
-6.
man.
So we gotta use something else.
Can you
Oh yeah, -6, +1. My bad.
-6 and 1, shush. -6 and 1 multiply to -6, and they add up to -5. Yeah, it's kind of a trick question they like to throw out.
Yeah, I got tricked on that.
Alright, how about the bottom left?
bottom left is like x times x. And then we could do no.
Okay, what goes into 16?
There's 4 and 4.
4 and 4. 4.
2 and 8. Oh my goodness, negative. I'm sorry. I don't know why I just cooked that one.
Okay, how about the top right?
I don't think that boy can do much, so just like, so it's then bottom end is like x and x, and then it's negative 6, positive 3.
Right, 6 and 3, so you need a negative 6. Okay, then we start crossing stuff, let's see. Not a lot there. So it's x plus 1. Alright, that was 21. So 23. We're already almost done. Can you believe it? Well, I'm almost done. I don't know where you guys are at. 4z minus 8.
What?
Or is that a 6?
6.
Yeah.
You know what they say?
4z minus 6, z cubed. Oh! Didn't expect that one. Whoops. I might have to help with that one. I didn't realize that was in there. Plus 4z squared plus z plus 4.
Oof.
This is not going to happen on the evens, by the way. So you don't have to worry about it. There's something weird on this one. And we maybe have done it once before. I don't really remember. Okay, but I'm flipping the right side. 2z squared plus 11z plus 12.
Okay, great.
Over 4z squared minus 9. Alright, Eli, how about the top left? Okay, you should always check first, can I take something out? 2. So 2 comes out. If I divide those by 2, I get 2z minus 3. Okay, the bottom left, they snuck that one in there on me. Have we done grouping before? I don't know. Maybe not. I think maybe we did it once, but not much. For grouping, there's 4 terms in grouping. You kind of group the first 2 and the last 2. What comes out of the first 2? I'm going to scooch this down.
Z squared.
Yeah, z squared comes out. So you take that out. What comes out of these 2 is nothing. So if you take nothing out, that's like taking a 1 out. And then the outside stuff goes in 1 parentheses. Remember this is the bottom. So the outside stuff, z squared plus 1 goes in 1 parentheses. And the inside stuff, z plus 4 goes in the other. It's pretty uncommon. I don't think they put this on standardized tests. But, yeah. And it's not on the evens, so you don't have to worry about it.
That's weird and wacky.
All right. Now, the top right. What's tricky about the top right? There's a 2z squared, right? So, Eli, what's going to go in the front? So what goes into 2z squared? 2z times what? Two z times what equals 2z squared? 1z.
No.
1z. Hey,
I
Green.
should pick it up. Kept on falling over.
Are you with that?
Spotty don't let you do this.
What I do?
What do you think?
Hey, Grant. Not time to be a toddler. Pay attention or at least be quiet. So, for the back, what goes into 12?
3 and 4.
3 and 4. Could be 3 and 4, could be 6 and 2. How do we tell what's right? Right, plug it in. So I think you were right when you said 3 and 4, but how can we check? Foil, the outside, inside. So the outside is 8z, and the inside is 3z, and altogether that makes 11z. So it is right. Okay, how about the bottom right?
You just do like 2z or
Yeah.
just minus 3 plus 2.
Yeah, square minus square. The square root of this is 2z. The square root of this is 3. You just do 2z plus 3, 2z minus 3. Okay, and then we go to cross some stuff out. So that one, and that one, and that one. That one, that one. Alright, I think we got it all. So it's 2 over z squared plus 1.
That's scary.
Okay, does 25 look intimidating?
Maybe a little
It
bit.
looks average.
So does that mean you think you know how to do it, Grant?
No.
Yeah, just make Grant do it at this point.
It's actually easy.
Oh.
Then
It's
you should
just-
definitely make Grant.
It's just disguised as weird. Does anybody have a guess how we would do this one, Grant?
Maybe divide them.
What do you mean?
Like we separate them by dividing like the things from each other. Maybe.
Oh,
You flip it,
Yeah.
Flip what?
I
on one.
Yeah. So yeah, I think you guys were starting to see what's going on here. Another way we could have written this problem is like this. So yeah, this part is just being divided. So it's just gonna be this times this flipped. So just flip the bottom part, yes. So x squared minus 1 over 5x times 10x over x plus 1. And which of those factor?
5x and 2.
Nope, those reduce, but which one's factor?
Oh,
The first
X
one.
squared.
X squared minus 1. Because that is a square minus a square. What's the square root of those?
X.
X and 1. So it's just x plus 1, x minus 1. Or vice versa. Okay, that's the only thing that factors, so we're just canceling out like right away. X plus 1, what else?
2x and 1x.
Okay, 5 and 10 become 2. X and x cancel out. So we got 2, x minus 1. There's nothing left on the bottom, so we don't need a fraction bar. It's just on top.
What? History. Come on, man. That's crazy.
That's all.
Is anybody getting a singing Valentine today?
She already got one.
What?
No, she said.
Okay, no, I'm getting nervous.
Did she say it was from Andrew Garfield?
Oh, we
It
just
was Andrew
finished though.
No,
Yikes!
that was nice.
Sorry.
of her.
He couldn't be here on Valentine's Day, so we just sent his son's.
Right.
Yeah.
Does he know you exist?
Yeah, he does.
He
I
could-
don't think he knows you exist in particular. I
He
think
couldn't be here because he doesn't know you exist.
He does.
Hey, don't
Shannon, I think he knows that you're a
Captivate.
person on the planet, but I think he doesn't know you like at all. Anything
He
about
doesn't know
you.
you, so shut it.
He doesn't know me. I don't care.
He does.
Alright.
Of course she was like that.
Do your
Yeah,
man. Do your man.
You
Of
have a
course she
connection.
would believe it. Yeah, I agree with Prince.
A connection, or is the right word obsession?
Oh!
That was a little.
You know,
Shots were fired. That was a little. I don't think you should say that.
Die.
Oh, that.
Shh, if we're quiet, we can hear.
What?
Happy birthday. Katie, do you hear her?
No.
The poor people that are visiting, they're just gonna have to hear this.
What are these weirdos?
Is this a Disney?
First, I see someone complain about the water.
I'm pretty sure they'll
First
figure it
I
out.
saw someone.
This is how we do it.
This is
Now
how
I
we
hear
do
you
school.
randomly
We walk around
screaming
with
Okay.
songs to people.
26, I'm not gonna do it, but it looks a little bit different. Any ideas how we could set it up?
Do the. Exactly.
Yeah,
And
but
then do the.
okay,
You were speaking in autism terms.
that's true, but
He doesn't speak.
it looks a little bit different than 25, so.
Okay, I think there's actually only two terms there.
Okay,
Is it 5x or 1?
Yeah.
His head is open.
Shannon said put 1 on the bottom. So 5x is just 5x over 1. So then you flip the bottom and it's. That one doesn't reduce very much. I wonder if they'll be able to hear themselves on the video. I think.